Alright, so welcome back everybody. Today we're gonna talk about elephant money versus the world. Yes, elephant money against, where is that? No, right here. Against all the world. What's mean? Gold, Apple, S&P 500, Bitcoin, oil, and everything else. Alright, so stay tuned. It's going to take a few minutes only. Let me explain you how performing is much better the performing of elephant money than all these things around the world. All right, this is crazy, guys. This is very crazy. Check this out. Just watch in the screen if you have time. Now, before we go anywhere, please don't forget that nothing here is financial advice. I'm not your mama and papa. What's mean I'm not giving you any financial advice. Don't put more money you can afford to lose. Is your money, which means your responsibility, and be responsible for your action, for God's sake. Also, happy 4th of July for everybody who are celebrating. Happy 4th of July for all the Americans around the world. Yay. Okay, so it depends when you watch this video. Maybe it will be 5th or 6th of July. Okay, so let's go and let's check. Also, before we go, don't forget that I'm the only YouTuber who is doing donations around the world. Okay, and please go and watch some of my video. More you give, more you receive. It's mean a lot to me. And leave a comment and like, don't forget that. Okay, so let's go back. It's crazy. So there are a few things I need to explain here. But before we go there, let's check the price. 0100 whatever 192. Okay, 1 year performance 194%. That's crazy. Look at that. Only green. For the last 1 year, it's only green. That's beautiful. That's a beauty. Let's see how is the market performing. Bitcoin 31,000. Okay, have a little spike over there in the last couple of days. Ethereum 1950. Tether 999. Whoa, that's scary. Okay, XRP and so on and so on. All right, but we talk about today elephant money. Okay, few things you need to understand. I want to check. I didn't check. If you go to BSC scan, all right, BSC scan, and if you go to WBNB, all right, so that's the BNB. Yeah, let's see the contract, okay? If you go to the contract, if you go to the holders, okay, this is very important. Holders. Number 5, it's elephant money. Number 5 with BNB holding 63,000 BNB. That's crazy, guys. LP, all right? Elephant money have 63,000 BNB. This is sick. Okay, so this is number 76. I hope in the next 1 month, maybe faster, maybe longer, nobody know, we're going to pass number 5. So we're going to go to number 4. And how? With help of the NFT. Now, there are a few things actually I can need to mention to you, but before we go to the NFT, let's check elephant money against all the world. Not against, versus, or maybe against. Okay, so let's go. Where was that? So check this out. By the way, great article here. We're going to go back to this. No. Where is that? Okay, so check the chart out. So this was posted by Crypto Stew. By the way, well done. Thank you so much. I pinched your picture, so sorry about that. Now, check this out. So if you go to their Telegram group, and also I shared to my Telegram group, you will see here he posts a very nice information. Okay, so elephant money. If you have invested 1 year ago, that was on the 1st of, I believe 1st of July. Okay, remember, elephant money have tax when you buy and sell. So this is including the 17% tax for buys and sells. Okay, so this is how the chart going to look like. Okay, so elephant money, all right, if you put 10,000 bucks 1 year ago right here, okay, check this out. 1 year ago, if you put 10,000 bucks in crude oil, all right, in oil, you're going to be minus 33%. In Google, you're going to be plus 0.3%, 33 bucks. Gold, you're going to be 11% up. Sweet. S&P 500, 14% up. That's very nice. Well done. Apple, 32% up. Well done. Bitcoin, 40% up. Look, check this out. That's crazy. Elephant Money 181% up. Okay, that is sick. Just look how much profit you're going to make, almost double. Let's say in a month time, probably we're going to double the money if you put the same money a year ago. Okay, now, and also don't forget the supply shock just happened. Okay, so it started. So when that going to happen? Last time it took around 3 to 4 weeks. So everybody wait for this right here. Okay, right here. Can you see it? Probably you can. Right here. So the LP, okay, from the treasury, okay, what is Bertha? What's called Bertha? That's the heart of all this ecosystem. That's what's pumping the blood around everywhere around this ecosystem. All right, it's like boom, boom, boom. All right, but it's work much faster, like pop, 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 something like that. I hope I don't sound like doesn't matter. All right, so basically the treasury Bertha get more money now than combined LP from BUSD and BNB. That's what everybody were expecting. Why? Because last time when that happened, we got price appreciation 10-15x in 4-5 weeks time, but that started 3-4 weeks after the crossing. All right, now I listened few videos, and is this going to happen again after a couple of weeks? I don't think so. Probably it's going to take more weeks. Let's say even take a couple of months time. I don't care. I'm here for the long run. Everybody are here for the long run. Now let's go to the next one. What's hot? It was a great article. Okay, great article from Patrick Cryptozoa. By the way, great picture. Check this elephant out. Okay, so he said, all right, so he says, he explaining the NFT. So the NFT is supposed to come here last week, but I think they're going to pop up probably tonight, because if you go to their Telegram group, they said happy 4th of July family. I think we're going to launch NFT on the 4th to celebrate our Independence Day. So I think this is the bank teller. I guess I never see him, but I guess this is the guy. Well done. And also it's a great video right here. I'll post the link. 10 things why I love Elephant Money. All right, amazing video, very good. Well done to this guy. Well done. I'm going to subscribe. And let's go back. Okay, so the NFT possibly coming tonight. And why do you need NFT? So first of all, the NFT price will be 1 BNB at the moment. Okay, and then there will be 10,000 in NFTs. Now next time when they're coming 5, 10, 20,000 NFT will be 2 BNB, next one 4 BNB, next one 8 BNB, and the price will double and double and double each time after that. Okay, so everything is explained here. So I'll just give you a little bit. I'll put also the link from this Medium article in the description. Read it. It's very informative. It's giving you very interesting things. So when you buy the NFT, you're going to get 1% share from all the treasury from Bertha. Okay, and now but the point is here, don't expect you're going to get a lot of money overnight. Probably it's going to take months and maybe a year or 2 years or 3 years. If you're here for the long run, again, not financial advice, but I think it's worth to get some NFT. So definitely I'm going to get one, but possibly maybe even two after I read this article. So check this out. I don't want to keep this video over 10 minutes. So the NFT says that release 1% of the amount with Bertha of the treasury once per year. Okay, so example. The first rounds are sold out today. Okay, so the 1% of the current treasury will yield 1.48 trillion elephant. That will equal to $280,000. Right? Divided about 10,000 NFT. What's coming around $28. Okay, so it's not a lot. What about when the treasury hit $1 billion? Okay, is this possible? I believe yes, but that's me personally. I guess a lot of people saying it's not if, it's when. Okay, yes, 1 billion. So 1% of 1 billion, it's 10 million. It's pretty cool. 10,000 divided by 10,000 NFT, it's coming $1,000 per NFT. Okay, and this is only can happen in the next 1 year. Simple as that. What about this if hit 20 billions or let's say 15 billions? 20 billions double. That's coming 2,000 per NFT. If there are more NFT, will be less price, but still 1 BNB today is around $250. And if you get this 4 or 5x in 1-2 years, well, do the maths. Okay, so that's about it. I don't want to keep you too long. Go and read the article. It's pretty cool, pretty straightforward, very nice. But the video is already over 10 minutes. And I believe it's worth NFT. I'm very bullish for the project. There's so much still to talk. I didn't even mention the, what's called, this is the Elephant Money. I didn't mention even the futures. All right, so if you go into the futures, you will see that I think they're already around 10 mil invested. There we go, 9.8 million invested. But that's helping a lot. The Elephant Money token is just amazing, unique ecosystem. 41 contracts and more, they're working all together. All right, happy again 4th of July, whoever is celebrating. God bless all. Stay positive. Go and help somebody, by the way. Don't be greedy. If you make some money, go and share with somebody who needs some money. Thank you all. God bless. Goodbye.